It's Monday. I've been sandblasting. Did the inner wheel wells. This one's kind of interesting. Let me flip the car over and show you that. Also did some inside here and up there and stuff. Hold on, let me flip the car for you. Here it is. Talked about damage on this side, and here's an example of it in the wheel well. You can see, especially with the light on it, the wrinkles in it. I thought I'd use this opportunity to get the hammer and dolly out and try my hand at flattening out metal a bit. Now, that's not perfect, but it's better than it was. It's the inner wheel well, so it's okay. I'm happy with that. So I spent most of the week blasting and sanding, blasting and sanding. It's been dirty, dusty, nasty work. Considering next time to either send it down to have it blasted or have it acid dipped. Anyway, during blasting I've found this little spot. You see daylight through there, so that ain't no good. So I'm gonna cut it out and tack in a new piece. See that very well. Shiny. Anyway, it's patched. It's not rusty anymore. Can't see daylight through it. That's the whole point. So with that, I have a little bit more to sandblast. Insides of things. I kind of went through everything with a grinder with 60 grit on it. Got everywhere I could with that, so I don't have to sandblast all of that, just in the little crevices that I can't reach with the grinder. Same over here and under there. And there is just a lot of surface area. I did it in the trunk as well. There's just a lot of surface area. I don't think I would do it this way again. There's just too much of it. I think dipping it is the way to go. Then it wouldn't be all cruddy while you're working on it. Anyway, live and learn. Hoping to get it finished up and sealed next week. It's just taken a long, long time. And it's the weekend. If you like this video, click the like button below. If you want to come along on the ride as we complete this project, click the subscribe button. If you want to make sure Google reminds you every time there's a new video, click the alarm bell. Your support is very much appreciated.